Hi guys, welcome to the Have a Glass of Wines. And today we're here with Wine Waterhouse to understand this amazing idea. And I want to show you what's going to happen today. We're going to do some introductions and we're going to explain about the business model. And they have a beautiful app demonstration. And we're going to talk, of course, about the challenge and everything around this amazing idea. So go get your glass of wine and let's get started. We are here. I'm Bianca, and we are here with Alessandro, Elton, and Vidu. And we're going to go
Hello,
through. Hi guys, how are
hello,
you?
Bianca.
Hello.
You guys have
Thank you
a
so
glass of wine,
much.
right?
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
Thank you guys for having here, for being here with me. And so let's talk about that. What's gonna happen today?
everybody knows
Uh,
that we all love wine, right? That's why you chose this topic.
Yeah,
it's amazing talk, wine lovers.
it's an important business, and also it's a pleasure to have a glass of wine.
Okay, worldwide as well. Everybody loves
Okay.
wine, all
Yeah.
parts of the world.
Okay, guys. And what about the business model? What you guys are thinking about the ways to, I don't know, to get money with the app, how the web that app works? How do you think I can see the value in what you offer to your customers?
All right, so for our business model, we will have a specialized management. We will have like different warehouse and all the stock in different hours and shelves. We also have like automations that feature the same time like automatic stock updates or like user can directly manage their orders. We also have the report and integration that directly reports to the manager. For the revenue, there will be like we will have like a subscription, like a fixed amount of like money to use the app in a year. We also have integration and some feature that adds on in the app. So for this app, most of the money comes from the producers team and the IT infrastructures, and we also have the marketing and sales to add in for the cost. And the key features of this app is the inventory management, process automation, report, and analytics. For the app, we also can partner with some wine producers, some technology companies, and winemaker associations. So, what do you guys think about the business model?
Good. Yeah, just a question about the value proposition. How can I see value in your app? What you have to offer that as a administration of the business, I can see you told about the reports. I can see what happens going on about the money, about my stock. I can see everything and in one app and everything integrated.
Yes, exactly. So, as a manager, as a user of the app, we can have like different features such as you can manage the wine, you can add the stock, and then you can update the stock in the warehouse. You know exactly like what order need to be fulfilled. When the customer orders, you receive the orders, and you can see exactly like how many wine you have in stock, where they are, and then you can quickly grab those and then fulfill the order. So everything is streamlined, and you can easily get your customer ready, get the orders ready.
Good.
Yeah, Bianca,
Yeah,
think
it's
like
interesting. Go ahead, sorry.
think of like a user that's gonna buy some wines. So it's about like a user-friendly interface, like easy to search for wines and having varieties and so on. Trying to make like intuitive, and on the other end, talking about like an owner who wants to see reports and wants something easy to manage, right? So
Yeah.
those are the mindsets that we use it to develop the app and generate values for the customers.
Good. And like, it's possible to scale, I don't know, in the future, add a new feature that you see that I don't know, the market needs is possible in the app that you're building, the business model, we can increase the scope. What do you guys think?
I think this is a very interesting question, and we have two approaches, two important approaches here. First, the technical and the business. For example, thinking about the technical infrastructure, our project, our product, our services in general, it's sustained in a very scalable infrastructure. We are using cloud services and software in a very well-designed process, so it will be easy to scale. Bringing a broader perspective for our business. And another important point, it's about our warehouse. We already have a warehouse to store our wines, our products in British Columbia, specifically in Richmond. We have plenty of space area to allocate all those products. But once we have reached the break even for our business, and we can scale and grow up, adding another warehouse, for example, in East Coast, and achieving our customers fast and have their satisfaction in all the supply chain process.
Oh, yeah,
That's the
right.
idea.
Good. Amazing. It'd be amazing. And about for talking about the app, what about the usability for someone that doesn't know about the wine, about the not a technological person, how is the usability of the app?
Yeah, that's other important question. as you guys can see, this is our interface.
Oh,
We
it's amazing.
we design using very modern UX design technologies. It's very easy to navigate using button navigation, and so it's completely simple. Let's get started. Explain the app and show
Yeah, please.
how it's gonna be. So this is the home screen. That's the first screen that the first contact with our customers. So
Okay.
we are highlighting features wine, and these features wine usually are those which have discounts. For example, this oyster base Sauvignon.
Okay.
It's
Like
an
adaptation, right? The user varies.
yeah. For example,
have
this
a
wine
tip.
has a 15% off, so it's very it's a very important and it's important discount. So it has some highlight view here.
Okay.
But also you can navigate for many options, future wines here. And also we can our customers can go straight to a specific type of wine that they prefer. For example, I'm looking for red wines, so it's gonna list all red wines in our warehouse. And click on the image. We're gonna have all the wine's detail, a summary about this specific wine,
Oh,
the harvest,
cool. You have the
date,
taste. Oh, yeah.
dates, taste,
Yeah.
food
Sometimes you don't
quality,
know if it's dry enough or whatever. Yeah.
yeah,
Sure.
market reviewing. So it's easy to navigate. And also we can apply some filters here and set different characteristics to facilitate, to contribute to the user experience in our application, in our app. So, and once the customer decide in buying this wine, it just click add to cart, and the wine is going to be available in his or her cart, right? We can add many bottles, right? And checkout, simple like that. And
Oh, great.
some order somewhere here, the total plus tax, final price, the shipping address. This is very important information for our customer. You can set and use the already set address, customer address, or set a specific shipping address here. But anyway, just place the order and done in just a few clicks. And the customer can check his invoice in this part here. We have all the invoices issued for this specific customer. For example,
Wonderful.
to Elton Evangelista, shipping to this address. He bought 4 bottles of Oyster Bay and total tax and etc. Very simple, right?
Wonderful. It's like it's a normal flow of when you buy whatever, something on Amazon. The flow that the user already knows. So it's good. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
yeah.
It's really good.
Do you want to share your experience in our product? What can you contribute? What can you share about this part, about this search part? We have working hard in this web, right?
Yeah, I think at the same time that we design a beautiful interface, because I think people say not, but it's very attractive when you have a beautiful product.
Oh, yeah, of course.
So when you have like something beautiful, and you can see that we use many colors, it makes even more intuitive. Even if it's beautiful, it's simple, and the user has many features. For example, to search for a wine, you have a filter out there. On the home screen, you also have some filters for using search by name or even by type. And on the side of the screen, you have different ones. We have details about the food that it goes with. Sometimes the user wants to eat something, and he wants something that goes with that food.
Yeah, I can tell you. Yeah, I can tell you that it's a really good feature. The culinary matching, because I don't know, sometimes you want to go in the party and you don't know I don't know what to bring. I know it's a pasta, but I don't know what kind of wine. So I think it's really useful. I like this part. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're really proud about the interface, because at the same time it's beautiful and useful and user-friendly. It also offers lots of features for the user. It's easy to navigate and reach at the same time. So it makes us like proud, right?
Yeah.
Good. I really like it. And okay, sorry.
No, go ahead.
Yeah, I don't know if I can explain something more about this part, but I would like to see okay, I understood that as a user, I can go for this flow. But what about if I am an admin, at the warehouse owner, what I have the different deal for as a owner, as administrator of the business? How can I?
That's also another important question.
Yeah.
When I sign up for this app here, the very first account is the administrator. Is set as administrator here. We have all my data here, right? Oops, hold on. But when I log out, I'm using the environment for customers. So
okay,
it's dynamically adjust for the specific type of account. So if I log in as an administrator, I'm gonna log in again. Just remember I guess my account.
The login screen is beautiful, Bianca. Look at that.
Yeah, it's like a clean, and I don't know, guys, you had a really good job on that.
You're logging as an administrator. We've talked about the business model for both, like using like an administrator as well. And you actually wanted to do something even more complicated, but it's a small business to start. So
but
keep it simple.
I can tell you, it's amazing, actually.
Yeah.
It's really complicated.
Yeah, now I'm logged in as an administrator, so we have I have access to a control menu here, and here you can manage products, warehouse, financial reports, and sales reports. For example, in products, I can, for example, using all those search features here to identify a specific wine in our warehouse. But anyway, you can add a new wine here, simple like that. Fill up this form here, right? And add all the information about this wine, sales price, discount, initial price, stock. And this is also a very important feature. We can set here where this wine is going to be located in our warehouse. It's to simplify our warehouse team managing the stocks and be very dynamic serving our customers. Okay?
And everything integrated in the same place.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Yeah.
We also can edit. For example, let's see, this Matua is a Sauvignon Blanc New Zealand wine. We can edit this wine here and set different characteristics for this wine. But usually the most important thing here is to set up for example, a new price for this wine. For example, let's increase this price and save. We're gonna have an update. Oops.
Yeah, let's increase because Christmas is coming, so we need to have money.
This is a popular wine, so it's important to hold on just 1 second. It takes us a few seconds to update. I guess it's done. Product. Let's see. Oh, let's search for it. Where are you? Okay, it's done. Yeah, $21 plus 6% off, and that's it, right? We also in this part here we can set, for example, expand our stock. For example, we are buying new wines. We can add a specific cost price here. For example, we are paying for $11 for a new stock, adding $100. Okay, and here we can also define the location. For example, our warehouse is set in 3 aisles and shelves. So AO2 shelf, for example, S3. Update wine.
This idea of location, Bianca, is just to facilitate when the staff need to process all the details. You have to deliver the wine, so he has to know where the wine is. And think about scalability. That the one question that we made. Think if we have many warehouses, and sometimes they usually he buys, they purchase a wine that doesn't have in this warehouse, but has in another one. So should be able to locate, right?
That's the point, Alessandro. Look, here we have, for example, in total 51 bottles, but the last updated was aisle A2, shelf S3. We have 100 bottles here, and this is a very straightforward way to manage the warehouse, right? And also, if you have, for example, a critical stock level here, it's gonna be alert and listed here in this part.
Yeah, to let you know that you need to provide more, right?
Right. Yeah. And also very easy to navigate. And here we have also a very other important feature is our delivery orders. For example, we sold a wine a few minutes ago.
Okay.
We have many orders here. Our business is doing very well.
I'm happy to hear that.
Yeah. So here, for example, we have a delivery order for a specific customer, specific address, invoice, and we have 10 bottles of Chardonnay Reserve in this location, and so on. So this is very easy to navigate and manage our warehouse. Let's go for the next step for the financial reports.
I was ready to ask because I want to know about the money. How can I see what?
Yeah.
It's the most important, right?
Yeah.
The final end.
We are still in our first year of business, so we have a lot of investments at the very first step of our business, so that the numbers is still getting better, but we are in negative numbers here. For example, here we have a product cash flow indicating the cost in a period of time and revenue in the same period of time. For example, from November 3rd to December 3rd, we had revenue of $22,000, something like that, and we spent a lot of money buying new stocks, almost $50,000 in costs here, right? And this is indicate a gross profit margin, a negative gross profit margin, but the revenue growth rate, it's awesome because this indicates that we are selling more wines if compared to the previous period of time. For example, we are seeing data here from November, and compared to October, we have 139% higher better results than in comparison. Right? For example, you can use a different period of time here to make different comparisons. For example,
to understand how the flow of my sales goes through during the year.
Yeah. So it's as I said, we spent a lot of money in our stock, but the idea is to have this green bar here higher than the red bar, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really good, guys. Actually, I really like it.
And the
Yeah,
last,
I can see all the information that I need as a management. I'm a manager. I can have everything here. It's really cool. Sorry, what
Yeah.
you want to talk?
As we said, like was thought like just on for the step and also for the user, right? Both ends.
Yeah.
Have a good features that. And then trying to ask you questions about scalability. We can talk about some technology. Right? We had some challenge to implement the app actually. I think for my side actually making designs is hard, but luckily we have Elton, so Elton
Here's
took this part.
okay.
But something new for
Good.
me was designing a whole system with MongoDB, for example. I'm used to using relational database. So when you design this with NoSQL, you have to make some adaptations. It's kind of different. And that was pretty new for me. It was kind of challenging to learn how to do that, right? Because when you have relational, you can get data from one table to another table, make relationships, and you join data. But in here with NoSQL, it's a little bit more complicated to do that. And then you have to design differently. This was one of the challenges, but I think the biggest one was actually integrating the code of the team. So I improved a lot my skills in terms of Git and GitHub, for example. I have some merge, and sometimes I have merging codes and have conflicts, and I have to solve that. And we are afraid of breaking the code of our friend, and so we have to deal with that. Working as a team was really good with this project.
Oh yeah,
And
good.
last,
Yeah.
I agree, totally agree, Alessandro. With our mindset, it's kind of SQL database, right?
yeah, for sure.
And we have to change this idea. For example, this is our sales management module. We are performing many database operations to display this data. Here we are displaying sales units and sales amount in a specific period of time. And also it's hard to manage this information using MongoDB. But it's important, but anyway, it's hard to build those pipelines and reach to a desired output.
Yeah.
That's the idea.
It was good as well. It was good as well, and we also designed like thinking. Let's reduce the data in here, so in the near future you can apply some artificial intelligence in here, and you can do things like suggesting to the customer where to buy. It depends on the region of the person that buys. Perhaps he can have one kind of hint for buying some kind of wines, while the other one in the other side of the country receives a different one. And yeah, it was designed like this. It was pretty good.
Yeah, I think it's the first, as you told me, just started like first year. So I think the first version is amazing, actually. Yeah, you guys did a really good job. That complete app. And I know that was challenge. I think the time, all the stack that you told me is new for everyone. But I think it's like I don't know, how can I say? It's a line between challenge and learnings and sightings. What do you guys learn about everything that happened during all the projects? What you can share with me? I think, in my opinion, work in a team, learn new technologies is challenge. So what do you learn about that, everyone?
We are, as students, we have learned many things throughout our courses, and it's a kind of putting everything together. For example, using our experience in UX design, very, very important, software engineering, try to code using low coping, high cohesion, and also apply some project strategy, defining rules and establishing our journey throughout the development process. So that's
it's funny, man. That's something that was new for me in this project. When you learn something, when you have some limitations and you have to do with that, like I said, we think like relational database, but you can only use it MongoDB here. So how to solve the problem?
Yeah.
It's forcing you to think differently, right? Because you have to deal with that limitation of technology and so on.
You need to use, but you need more, right? You need to use this, but you need more than they can provide. So yeah, I got it.
That's been nice as well. You can survive with some small stuff.
Yeah, I think if V want to say something, sorry, V.
I'll say for us, I think it's the re-engineering the project. Like you have the problem, like we all want to do wine management warehouse, but there's so many ideas came up to us, and like it's different to choose which one like is suitable for us, and then how to present it in our app with like different features. I think that's one of the main challenge, and also we can learn a lot from that one.
Good.
Yeah,
it's amazing, guys. Thank you for sharing everything. You guys want to say something else about all the projects?
Yeah, drink more wine, guys, because you're gonna buy more and then you can sell our app.
Exactly. Cheers.
That's what I'm gonna say. Have a good night, guys.
Nice to be here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Elton, Alessandro, and V for joining me here. Thank you for watching, guys. So yeah, it's amazing business, and for sure, let's have a glass of wine. Thank you so much. See you next time.
See you next time.